If you want to become a data analyst and prepare for interview question in advance, then this series is a must watch. There are exact questions that companies like Amazon, Flipkart, TCS, Infosys and American Express along with top startups ask repeatedly in the interviews. You can check the questions out here in my screen. I am having the full set of questions. So, one missed video could mean one missed job offer. So, hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Starting today, we are launching a brand new series on SQL interview questions where we will go through real interview questions asked by top MNCs and startups. This video is your one-stop solution, the only video you need to prepare for your SQL interviews. In this series, we will cover both theoretical concepts and the practical approach so you can truly understand the logic and confidently crack any SQL interview. I will be uploading these videos daily in both Hindi and English, and I will also be answering your doubts in the comment section. I have complete set of questions that are frequently asked in real interviews, and we will go through each of them with theory plus hands-on practices so you become completely interview ready. Also, I will be sharing the table creation scripts and sample data in the comment section so you can simply copy paste them into your own SQL database and follow along easily. Let's move to my database where I am using PostgreSQL. I have already made the table. I have already made the table, so you can see like I am minimizing this SQL interview questions here, and you can see right now I have already made the table, and here is the create table query, and here is the data for the insert query, right? So you can see here is the table. Here we have 1 2 3 4 total number of 4 columns of a company where the employee name, emails and department names are given. Let's say if we go from the starting, let's say you have an employee table. It includes name, email and department including IDs, but look closely, some rows are accidentally repeated. These are what we call duplicates. What are repeated? You can see first, second and 4th, 5th and 6th. As this table is a small table only containing 7 rows, so here we can easily identify, like our human eyes can easily identify the duplicates. So it's not a big task, but the moment you go to a big MNCs, their database is so huge that once you select, write this, like this is my table, and once you write this query and put like enter or like execute the script, it will take 10 to 15 seconds to load the data. Just imagine like what kind of database they might be having. It is a small table and our human eyes can easily identify this, but anyways I will show you the easy formula and as well as the like on spot query so that you can easily understand this and also can tell this in your interviews so that you can easily crack it. Okay, so let's quickly create this table and insert sample data so we can test it. So okay, as I have done it in this, now to find the duplicates we will group the records using the column that should be unique like name, email and department. Then we filter group where the count is more than 1. Let's explain in a layman language. First thing first, what is duplicate? Duplicate is something which is just carbon copy of a data. So see here Ravi Kumar, ravi@example.com and IT. This 3 column, this row is same to same matching with the other 2 rows, that is 5 and 6. So in this way only SQL will get that these things are duplicate. Suppose here the data will be IT and dash will be there, or a comma will be there. So in this scenario SQL will not take this as a duplicate. SQL will take this as a unique value. But as everything would be same, remaining the IDs, then we can say it's a duplicate value. That's it. And right now you can see here first two rows and here three rows are same. And also you can see one thing, like suppose Ravi Kumar is same and here three mail IDs are different. This won't be count as, I would say, a duplicate value. Why? Because here the data are different, not here. That doesn't mean it is a duplicate. It's maybe duplicate in the name section, but it's not duplicate in any of the column, like mail column it won't be duplicate if the email is different. So here what we will do, we will find the group by query. In group by query, what it will do, it will take the common names aside and then find the remaining data. Let's go ahead, select what column I need. I need a name column, I need email column, I need department column, right? So these three columns I need in the output table. And here, as I told you, like this table is a small table, so here you can say yes, Ravi Kumar is like this column is, there are three same columns. So what you have done, like three, it's a count. You have counted the number of columns which are same thing. As a human being we will tell to SQL that SQL please give us the names of the employees who, like where the count is more than 1. That's the duplicate, right? If the count is equal to 1, it's a unique. If the count is more than 1, that means it's a duplicate. Same thing we have to tell to SQL. So I will write here count and name. You can wait, let me give a alias of it. So you can do anything, like you can write a name, like name column, or email column, or department column. Anything you can write. Why anything? Because why only this thing, not anything? Because these three datas are same, means the data in name, the data in email, the data in department is same. You cannot tell that like I need the count of IDs. Why not? Because IDs are unique. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, these are unique IDs. It won't give a count more than 1 because it is actually 1. Here it will give more than 1. Why? Because see, these three data are same, these two are same, these three are same, this 3 and these 2 are same. That's why. So here we have selected name. You can select email or department, anything, right? So as per order of execution, SQL goes like from query, means from table name. This is practice table. How SQL actually goes, like what's the process of execution? It will go like from this table, first do a group by of what? This three column. So here we will get to know one concept. What concept is that? In group by you have to write those column names which are present here. Means if select is having three column names, same three column names should be present in group by. Now you might be having a question, like here in select there are 4, wait, let me write it here, it would be easy. In select, like in number 20 query, there are 4 columns, like in output we will get 4 columns, like 1 2 3 and 4. Why are we writing 3 columns in group by? Let me tell you one thing, the count name is an aggregate function, like sum, difference, count. These are aggregate function and these are those columns which are demanded by us. means the column which are demanded by us should not be in group by. Make sure you remember that. So right now we have written from this table group by this, and as I told, like as we will tell to SQL, give us the data where the data is same or more than one. So it will be like having count of name, wait, having count of name same, this one you can just copy paste it. See, as I've selected, it will show like it is also like one of the part here. So count name greater than 1 semicolon. That's our complete query. So how SQL goes? From table group by this columns where the count of name is more than 1, not where, sorry, having, because and let me tell you one thing, where does not comes in this aggregate function, so we have to write having. We cannot write like where count is equal to 1 then group by, no, that doesn't work. Aggregate function always works with having. So from this table group by this having count more than 1, give us the columns, then means select, give us the columns which will be having name, email, department and count column. Count column, this alias I have given count employee, and let's run the query and see what output do we get. See, we got total 4 columns. What columns? Name, email, department and count name as count employee. We got 4 columns, and you can see here one thing, here it has written like Amit Sharma. Like I will do one thing, I will paste this table, select everything from practice employee, this table here somewhere here in the screen, so that you can easily compare this table with the output table and see that Amit Sharma is like counted 2 times, like first and second column if I am not wrong, and Ravi Kumar is counted 3 times. I think like 4th, 5th and 6th ID is counted 3 times. So from here we can know that these 2 data are duplicated. So this is the this is the way where you can tell that this data are duplicated. So this is the only answer of the question. What question was there? Like write a query to find duplicate rows in the table for, and this is the answer for it, and I have given the explanation as well. So and that's it. Today we have learned a lot of things. Like today we have learned how to detect like datas in, or you can say how to detect duplicate rows in SQL using group by having. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in next one. Happy coding, and please put a like, a bell icon, and I mean click on the bell icon, not a bell icon, click on the bell icon so that you can get notification whenever I upload a video. I will be uploading these videos every day, like interview question playlist I have made in my YouTube channel. You can go and check there. You can, like, this is the first video and I will be uploading in Hindi and English as well, so you can like watch anything as per your like flexibility. Also you can ask me questions in comment section. Also I will be like pasting this 2 queries in comment section so that you can copy and paste in your database. Like no need to write this, like you'll be wasting time. Why to waste time as we have data in front of us? So that's all about it. Thank you and have a nice day. Happy coding.